staying in Paris to get away.
Guys, I'm a mess right now. So, now that we're ready, hey guys, it's me, Pranali, and today we're going to be doing expectations versus reality, DIY edition. So, let's get started.
Hi guys, we're doing expectations versus reality, DIY edition, as she said. And basically we're gonna say how we want crafts to go and how it actually turns out. But please hit the like button and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this video. And please comment down below what your favorite DIY craft is. So I hope you enjoy.
So, let's go to Pinterest and find a new craft. Oh my gosh, these are so hard. Oh my god, that's a perfect one. I'm gonna do that one.
Oh my god, I've been going on this for almost an hour. I can't find anything.
One eternity later.
Oh, I can't find anything. What's happening? I mean, that seems good. Maybe. Okay, oh, I found it! Great. Oh, that took so long. I'm gonna go get my craft supplies. Let's see. I only have 3 bottles of paint only. Let's see if they work. They're empty! Oh, probably dried up. Oh, now I can't do any crafts. Oh my gosh. I can't believe my brother finally fell asleep. That took like 2 minutes. So let's start making it. Finally, my brother's asleep. It took him an hour to go to sleep. How does a kid do that? No. I'm literally about to do a craft. Oh no, he's gonna mess everything up. Okay, let's do this thing. This doesn't look that complicated. We're gonna cut this up for that little scraper thingy. We'll use this one. This is so much easier than I expected it would be. Put a drop right there. It's too big. It's okay. Okay, let's keep going. Put some pink dot. Or like a blob. Now for a purple one. It's going to be perfect. It looks beautiful already. Finally, I shut my brother up. Now I can finally move on to my craft. Finally, I can start on my crafts. I guess I'll squeeze just a little paint out of this if it'll work. Oh, I guess that's all it will go. Work with me here. The ugliest colors in the world. It's even dried out. Ugh. That's all it'll go. Now one more color to try to make this beautiful, which I don't think it'll show up, but who cares? Maybe just a little more if I can squeeze out just a tiny more right here. The most it will go. Okay, let's start.
So our first painting for sale is this one, and the starting price is 20. So start your war.
20,
20. Do I hear
30,
30,
50,
50,
70,
70.
100,
Do I hear higher?
200,
200,
300,
300,
500,
500,
1,000.
1,000. Sold to that lady in the red right there. Sold.
Hi, for the second piece I have here is this black and green piece. Shall we start the bidding at $20? $10?
No.
$5?
Bet.
$2?
Bet.
$1?
Bet.
50 cents?
I'll buy it.
Okay, I guess this is sold to the woman in green.
Mommy, can I borrow 50 cents from you?
Excuse me, I was going to buy that purple painting. Well, I got I guess your mouth is too slow. Excuse me? I'll pay you $1,000 for it.
I bought it for 1,000. You owe me 2,000.
$1,000 and 200.
No, 2,000 or nothing. Hi, honey.
Mommy, yeah? I hate this painting.
Then why did you buy it?
I don't know, it looked good from far away, I guess.
So what do you want to do with it now?
I'm going to sell it to Bobby for $100. Bobby's parents are rich.
I don't think Bobby would like this.
I don't care.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and comment down below if any of these things happen to you, and comment down below if your expectations or reality. I'm probably reality because I'm not that good with crafts, but I think Pranali's expectations. She's like pretty good with crafts, better than me, so yeah. But like for the reality, I think it's not like fully reality because we kind of messed up our painting even more, but like this is just the comparison between how we think it turned out and how it actually turns out. But like reality, it's probably much neater, but like not as good. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned to our next video, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.